which, you know, this is pretty big. It's a very quiet night out tonight. Well, as quiet as you can get for being, 50 feet from the parkway. Dick Hoover Stadium right over there, along with Vestal High School up the road here. Last time we did an update on this project, I was able to park in this lot, but it's completely fenced off right now. Got a couple dumpsters going here. Here's the front side of the building that's going up. Wonder what those are for. Those look like old barricades that the police would use to block off a neighborhood or a street or something. Huh. So that's the pool, and now I'll take you guys briefly over to Dick Hoover Stadium. Just give you a quick look at the field here for those of you who might have moved away and not seen any updates on the stadium since it's been renovated. I want to say like 10 or 12 years ago now, it was completely rebuilt and is no longer a grass field. It's got that artificial turf like so many other stadiums do now. And it's very nice. I might be impartial since I went to UE, but I think our stadium is still better. Anyway, here's the track and the stadium right over there. And you got the grandstands with the Let's Go Bears sign on it. And all their sponsors. Ooh, it's really slippery up here. Anyway, here's a quick look at the stadium for you. Got the Golden Bears end zones and the press box up there. There's a lot of seating here. This looks like it's almost as much, if not more, seating than Ty Cobb Stadium over in Endicott. It's hard to see, but a lot of work has been done to Vestal High School over the years. They did somewhat of an expansion and a new entryway. They've put a lot of money into it. And I like these. These are reserved seatings for those who are more mobilely challenged or handicapped. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to give the video a big old thumbs up. And if you're not already, hit subscribe down below. I'd really appreciate it. And I'm going to go down these stairs and try